Greetings friends, excuse me, she's going back up with an extremely loose chain. Great news friends, sorry it's so dark, but the motor is in with a very loose chain and the two clamps because I couldn't be bothered to stand there drilling those holes. But this looks very good, so I'm just going to go take the brake off and see what she's saying. Go on you beauty, imagine if all those problems I've been having were caused by that motor being mega full of gunk. I've put it on 12 volt. Two 12 volt batteries in parallel. I've put it on 12 volt because I want to see if it's okay if the brake comes on. It's also worth noticing that if you see it wobbling around a tiny bit, I haven't got around to doing all the guide ropes up. I just want to check it's making some power. If it don't make any power, there we go, yeah! Woo! Oh, it's gone. Sorry, I'm getting excited. I have to say this is a moment of great personal triumph. So for anyone who's been watching my YouTube channel for donkeys, this one's for you. And now we've got the 12 volt, all the brake's going to go. Whoa, that sounded bad. Yeah, the chain's too loose. I need to abandon experiment. Right, so I've abandoned experiment and put the brake back on. The experiment has been a raging success because I know the motor is producing power how it's supposed to. So that's a major success. I just need to take it down, probably leave it till tomorrow now to when my son comes over and take it down and sort that out with a chain. Sweet. So obviously that was a very unpleasant noise, and I'm pretty sure looking at it now that it's the alignment of the chain. The motor needs to be about 2 centimeters over to the left. So when I turn the blades, the motor's turning fine without any noise. So I don't think that horrendous crash was that. I think it was due to the poor alignment of this. And to be honest, we rushed to get it up because I know there might not be any wind for at least a week. So the motor, as far as I'm concerned, does work, and it does turn okay, but it's the old chain issue. So hopefully we'll get that dealt with very soon, and then it'll be up in the air again. But the motor is working and making power, as you would have seen. Sweet.